Om Shanti. Good morning. Today is 25th March 2021, and in next 5 minutes we will revise today's Murli's main points. Essence. Sweet children, just as the Father's part is to benefit everyone, so you too must become benefactors like the Father. Benefit yourselves and everyone else. So today we can list at least 10 different ways in which we can benefit ourselves and everyone else. And what does it really mean to benefit myself and to everyone else? So it may be an interesting task for us. Question. On seeing which one of the children's specialties is Babdada very pleased? On seeing which one of the children's specialties is Babdada very pleased? Answer. When poor children send a rupee or half a rupee to the yagya, they say, Baba, give me a palace in return for this. Baba says, children, even this 1 rupee will be accumulated in Shiv Baba's treasure store, and you will receive a palace for 21 births. There is the example of Sudama in the mythology, and you children receive the sovereignty of the world without spending as much as a shell. This is very important. You children receive the sovereignty of the world without spending as much as a shell. बिन कौड़ी बादशाह बनते हैं. Baba is very pleased to see this speciality of the poor children. And today's song is Having found you, we have found the whole world. Everything, this earth, and sky, all belongs to us. तुम्हें पाके हमने जहां पा लिया है, जमी तो जमी आसमां पा लिया है. This is today's song. Now the love and remembrance, because Baba says, if you miss the Murli, you miss the remembrance. So let us not miss the Yad Pyar in remembrance. To the sweetest, beloved, long lost, and now found children, love, remembrance, and good morning from the mother, the father, Bab Dada. The spiritual father says Namaste to the spiritual children. He says for Dharna, point number 1. In order to maintain constant happiness, keep this unlimited knowledge in your intellects. Fill your aprons with jewels of knowledge and benefit yourselves and others. So basically, Baba has also mentioned 2 ways. How can you benefit yourself? By having this unlimited knowledge in your intellect. And how can you benefit others? By sharing these jewels of knowledge with others. This can be one of the ways, and there could be many other ways as well. So Baba is saying become very clever with this knowledge. So what does this mean? What does it mean to be very clever? Second point, in order to claim your fortune of the kingdom for your future 21 births, transfer all your bags and baggage. Create methods to attain liberation from this dirty world. So there are 2 tasks. Task 1 is transfer all your bags and baggage. So how do we do that? And second is create methods to attain liberation from this dirty world. It means we can't attain liberation on its own. We need to have some method. And what are those methods? So how can we attain liberation from this dirty world? We can churn upon that point also. Today's blessing. May you be a worthy teacher who makes the seed of every action fruitful. A worthy teacher is one who is an embodiment of the teachings because the easiest way to give teachings is to give them through your form. Such teachers give teachings through their every step. Their every word is not just a word but an elevated version. वाक्य नहीं होते महावाक्य होते. The seed of every action of theirs is fruitful. It cannot go to waste. The thoughts of such worthy teachers enable souls to claim a right to the new world. So whole day we can be in this consciousness. I am a worthy teacher. My each thought, word and action is fruitful. सार्थक है, सत्य है, अर्थात अविनाशी है, and essential है. It cannot go waste. So this is a very powerful blessing today, and a slogan: stay in the stage of Manmanabhav, and you will experience alokik happiness and a stage of sweetness in your mind. So Manmanabhav leads to the stage of sweetness in your mind and generate alokik happiness. So this is today's Murli in nutshell. So there are many points which we need to dig deeper throughout the day. Only when we churn, we imbibe the knowledge. So which point in today's Murli you like most? You can share in the comment box below. So let us stabilize ourselves in the position I am a world benefactor soul. I am a worthy teacher. I benefit myself and I benefit everyone else. Om Shanti.